Good day, everyone. Good day, Ma'am Nelly Pagayon. My name is Ashmay Kumahig, BE Ed2 Section 1 from Roman C. Villalon Memorial Colleges Foundation Incorporated. So today, you will hear my thoughts or insights on how to convince viewers that teaching is the noblest profession and being so deserves the best preparation and the best candidates. So, teaching is often referred to as the noblest profession, and rightly so. Every profession, whether it be medicine, law, engineering, or the arts, it all begins in a classroom or in a classroom setting. Teachers lay the foundation for all other careers. They inspire, they guide, and they shape the minds of future leaders, innovators, and also change makers. Given this monumental responsibility, it is only fitting that the teaching profession be treated with the utmost respect and be reserved for the best prepared and most dedicated individuals. To convince others of the nobility of teaching, one must first highlight the teacher's impact. A great teacher does far more than deliver lessons. They instill values, curiosity, and nurture dreams. They are mentors, they are role models, and in many cases, life changers. Consider the number of successful individuals who credit a teacher with changing the trajectory of their lives. Whether it's encouraging a shy child to speak up or helping a struggling student find his or her confidence. Teachers have the power to transform lives in ways that no test scores can measure. Teaching also requires a deep commitment to lifelong learning, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. In a world that's constantly evolving technologically, socially, and culturally, teachers must continually update their knowledge and teaching strategies. They don't simply deliver information. They create a dynamic environment that supports critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity. This is no small task, and it requires rigorous training, resilience, and passion. So, despite their critical role in society, teachers are often undervalued and underappreciated, most especially nowadays. This must change. If we want future generations to thrive, we need to invest in the quality of education. And that begins with attracting top tier candidates to teaching and providing them with the best possible preparation. Just as we expect doctors to undergo years of study and hands-on experience before practicing or before in field, we must also demand a high standard of preparation for teachers. This includes strong academic training, expensive classroom experiences, and ongoing professional development. Teaching should be a profession people aspire to, not as a fallback, but as a first choice. This can only happen if we elevate its status and provide teachers with the recognition, support, and compensation that they deserve. When we attract the best candidates to teaching and prepare them well, we're not just investing in individuals. We're investing in society's future. So overall, teaching is indeed the noblest profession. It is the profession that shapes all other and carries the profound responsibility of educating hearts and minds. To uphold its dignity and effectiveness, we must ensure that it attracts the most capable and passionate individuals, and that they receive the best preparation possible. Only then can we truly build a better, more enlightened world. So, why it is very important to convince the viewers that teaching is the noblest profession. So, for you, why it is very important? Why teaching is the noblest profession? So, um, convincing viewers that teaching is the noblest profession is very essential. It is because society's perception of teaching directly influences the quality of education, the respect teachers receive, and the motivation of future educators. When teaching is held in high esteem, it attracts passionate, talented individuals who are committed to making a lasting difference. But when it's undervalued, it becomes a fallback option instead of a purposeful calling. Teachers play a central role in shaping not just individual lives, but entire communities and nations. Every profession begins in a classroom. As what I have said earlier, the doctors, engineers, leaders, or artists are all influenced and guided by educators. If the public understands the significance of teaching, they are more likely to support initiatives that improve teacher training, provide fair compensation, and invest in educational resources. Recognition of teaching as a noble profession uplifts the morale of educators themselves. Many teachers work tirelessly under challenging conditions. Acknowledging their importance boosts their sense of purpose and professional identity, leading to better performance and deeper commitment. When young people see teaching as a respected and valued profession, they are more likely to consider it as a meaningful career choice. This ensures a steady flow of capable, motivated individuals entering the field. People who genuinely care about student growth and are prepared to give their best. So, in short, changing how society views teaching isn't just about giving teachers more credit, but it is all about creating a culture that values learning, invests in education, and prepares future generations for success. Convincing viewers of teaching's nobility is a vital step toward that goal. So, teaching is often regarded as the foundation of all other professions. Yet, it is sometimes undervalued and underappreciated in modern society. To shift this perception, um, and highlighted the nobility of teaching, strategic communication is very essential. So, there are several effective strategies to convince viewers that teaching is indeed the noblest profession. So, first, we have the share personal and emotional stories. Nothing connects more deeply with viewers than authentic, heartfelt stories, and sharing narratives of teachers who have gone above and beyond for their students can humanize the profession and illustrate the passion and dedication involved. Testimonials from students about how a teacher changed their lives can also be powerful. These stories can emphasize that teaching is more than a job. It is a mission to shape lives and nurture futures. And the second one, we have highlight the impact of teachers on society. An effective strategy is to draw attention to the undeniable ripple effect teachers have. Every doctors, engineers, artist, or entrepreneur was once taught by teacher or educators. By showcasing that teachers lay the groundwork for every profession, viewers can better appreciate their essential role in society. Documentaries, interviews, or infographics showing how prominent individuals were influenced by their educators can reinforce this message. The third one is we have use visual and multimedia content in today's digital age. Visual storytelling is the key. Creating short films, social media campaigns, or even animations that portray the day-to-day life of a teacher, including both challenges and triumphs, can captivate and educate audiences. The use of inspiring quotes, before and after classrooms transformations, and behind the scenes glimpses that can help convey the devotion and effort that go into teaching. So the fourth one is educate on the skills and sacrifices involved. So many people are unaware of the diverse skills required to be a great teacher: creativity, empathy, patience, leadership, and adaptability, to name a few. Explaining this through engaging content can dispel myths that teaching is an easy profession, showing the sacrifices teachers make, working overtime, buying their own classroom supplies, or supporting students beyond academics can elicit admiration and respect. And we have number five, or the fifth one, promote teaching as a lifelong influence. Teachers don't just deliver lessons, they shape values, character, and confidence. Highlighting this long lasting influence, especially through stories of success that trace back to a teacher's encouragement or belief in a student, can emphasize the profession's deep moral and transformative nature. So we have the sixth one, or the number six, involve public figures and influencers. Support from respected personalities such as celebrities, politicians, or thought leaders can amplify the message. When such individuals speak about the teachers who inspired them, it helps validate the noble image of the profession. Collaborating with the influencers who champion education can also reach younger audiences effectively. And we have the last one, number seven, advocate for better recognition and respect. So finally, campaigns advocating for teachers' rights and recognition can shift societal attitudes. When viewers see that teachers deserves and receive respect, it reinforces their importance and the nobility of their role. So in conclusion, convincing viewers that teaching is the noblest profession requires a combination of storytelling, education, and advocacy. By portraying teachers as dedicated, impactful, selfless individual, society can begin to appreciate the immense value they bring to every generation.